Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Click on advanced options, then we need to select troubleshoot, then select advanced options and then click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command c: and simply press enter. Type cd space c: / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c: /bcd backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now type attrib space c: -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type ren space c: /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.